Right, where are we? Thought I'd give the GoPro a go for a change. We're on holiday. We're having a week's break. It's our wedding anniversary, and we always promised that we would come back to the Lake District for our wedding anniversary, every wedding anniversary. And we are at a place in Woofdog, and we literally have a view of Wastwater. I don't know if you can. Jesus! I'm in my slippers. I didn't. So there's.
Gonna pop the hydrangea.
There's Wastwater.
Hydrangea. Pop,
And
pop,
that
pop.
fell. What that name? The name I forget. But I'm pretty sure that scar fell.
That's for you.
I'll check on the map.
Oh, shall we take?
But yeah, what a cottage. This is where we're staying. Can you see? Pretty special. We had some friends stay with us for the first couple of days. They've sadly gone back now, but yeah, we had me and my mate went for a run up Great Gable. Didn't go all the way up to the top, just got about halfway, about 600 metres, and cut across to go and look for Nape's Needle. But I think the weather's coming in. That looks like the rain's coming in over there. So yeah, anyway, today I'm going to cut this off. We're going to head to the Ravenglass Railway. We lived here for over 10 years and we never went on the Ravenglass Railway. Well, Ratty, that's what we're going to go and have a play on. Right guys, so enjoy the ride. Yeah. So we've finally made it to Boot. Hurry up, it's going to be full by the time we get there. You coming? I know the path up to the falls is a little bit on the narrow side, and the viewing platform is about space for about 2 or 3 people. There you go. Scramble back. I just watched a fella almost fall. Oh, it was horrible. That was horrible. It's probably as good a time as any to knock it on the head on the old vlog for today. So yeah, hope you enjoyed our walk to Dalegarth Falls. It's a bonny little spot. Hope you don't mind the GoPro either. Thought, you know what, hardly ever use the GoPro, and now's as good a time as any. But we're having a lovely time. This is right up there as one of our favourite holidays so far. The weather's been lovely. We've done lots as a family. We've just chilled. Madam's been testing us, haven't you? Alright guys, thank you again as always. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can always follow me on Instagram as well. The wife's looking for a welly because Rose dropped a welly.